How do you apply for an FHA loan? Hey there, are you thinking about buying a home but you're not really sure how to get started with a loan? One of the most common loans out there is called an FHA loan, and today we're going to explain everything you need to know about it. In this video, we'll talk about what an FHA loan is, who can apply for one, how to apply, and the benefits of using an FHA loan.
Applying for an FHA loan is easy, but the first thing you need to do is find an experienced FHA loan lender. Not all lenders are the same, and working with someone who knows FHA loans inside and out will make the process smoother for you.
So make sure to stick around for our number one tip at the end of this video. Alright, let's dive in. So what is an FHA loan? An FHA loan is a type of mortgage that's backed by the Federal Housing Administration, or FHA, which is part of a government agency called HUD, or the Department of Housing and Urban Development. FHA loans have been around since 1930, so they've been used for a long time to help people buy homes. You can use an FHA loan to buy a home or to do a streamlined refinance, which helps you lower your monthly payments, or even a cash-out refinance, which lets you borrow money based on your home's value. How is an FHA loan different from a conventional loan? One of the biggest differences is how mortgage insurance works. With an FHA loan, you have to pay for mortgage insurance in two ways. First, there's an upfront mortgage insurance premium that gets added into your loan. Then there's annual mortgage insurance that you pay every month as part of your mortgage payment. If you put less than 10%, the mortgage insurance stays for the entire time you have the loan. With conventional loans, there's no upfront mortgage insurance premium, but you will still pay for monthly mortgage insurance if you put less than 20%. The good news is that the insurance automatically goes away once you've paid off 22% of home's value. Another difference is that FHA loans aren't as focused on credit scores. FHA loans are more flexible, making them easier to get them if you have a lower credit score or have had financial difficulties like bankruptcy or foreclosure. On the other hand, conventional loans tend to offer lower interest rates and better terms if you have a higher credit score. Benefits of FHA loans. FHA loans come with several benefits, especially for people with low to moderate incomes or who haven't saved a big down payment. Here are some of the top benefits. First one, low down payment. With an FHA loan, you only need to put down 3.5% of the home's price. That's great if you don't have a lot of money saved up for the down payment. Second, it's easier to qualify. FHA loans are more forgiving when it comes to credit scores, so you don't need a perfect credit score to qualify. And if you've had things like bankruptcy, foreclosure, or short sale, the waiting period to apply for an FHA loan is definitely shorter than for conventional loans. Third, it's a great option for first-time homebuyers. While FHA loans are often associated with first-time homebuyers, they're available to anyone, not just people buying their first home. So even if you've owned a home before, you can still apply for an FHA loan. Who can apply for an FHA loan? Pretty much anyone over the age of 18 can apply for an FHA loan as they meet the basic guidelines. And you don't have to be a first-time home buyer to use an FHA loan, but it's a great option if you are. FHA loans are especially helpful for people with lower credit scores or smaller down payments.
How do you apply for an FHA loan? Applying for an FHA loan is easy. Once you found that lender, here's what to expect. Complete the FHA loan application. You can fill out the application online, over the phone, or in person. The application will ask you for your full name, social security number, date of birth, and all the details about your employment, your income, and savings. You'll also be asked about any debts that you have, like student loans or credit cards, and if you've ever had a bankruptcy, a foreclosure, a short sale. The lender will also ask if you are a US citizen, a permanent resident, or if you're in the country with a work visa. Credit check. After you submit your loan application, the lender will pull your credit report. This helps them see your credit score and your financial history. If your credit score isn't perfect, don't worry. FHA loans are more flexible about credit scores than other loans. Provide documentation. You'll need to provide some documents like pay stubs, bank statements, and tax returns. These help the lender verify your income and savings, and it's an important step in getting approved for the loan. Once the lender has all your information, they'll review everything and they'll let you know if you qualify for the loan. If you do, they'll issue a pre-qualification letter, which means you're ready to start house hunting.
Now for our number one tip, credit matters. FHA loans are great because they're more forgiving when it comes to credit score, but that doesn't mean credit isn't important. If you've had a tough financial event like a bankruptcy or foreclosure, FHA loans might make it easier to buy a home, but it's still a good idea to work on improving your credit score as much as possible.
So if life has thrown you a curveball and you've had some credit issues, don't worry, life happens. FHA loans are a great option to help you get back on track and into a new home.
Wrapping it up, now you know the steps to take and some of the benefits that come with using an FHA loan.
It's a great option if you're looking for low down payment or need a loan that's more flexible with credit. Remember, always work with an experienced lender who can guide you through the process and help you find the best loan for you.
If you found this video helpful, make sure to share and subscribe for more tips on home loans and mortgages. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.